Hey there, future builders, makers, and robot dreamers. Welcome back to the Robot Diva channel, where creativity meets technology. Today, we're diving into something that literally makes your robots move. Motors. What are motors? Motors turn electrical energy into motion, but not all motors are the same. In robotics, we use three main types: DC motors, stepper motors, and servo motors. DC motors are simple. Give it voltage, it spins, perfect for continuous motion. Stepper motors move one step at a time. This gives you precise control. Servo motors are smart. You tell them to move to an angle, they do, and hold it. Choosing a motor is like picking shoes and match it to the job. What's the purpose? If you need non-stop spinning, go DC. If you need precise moves, use a stepper or servo. Torque is your robot's strength. The heavier the load, the more power you need. Always overestimate, trust me. Fast or strong, pick one. High speed equals low torque. Gears help balance both. Precision? How accurate do you need it? Servos and steppers equals precise. Power source, battery, or wall power. Always match your motor to your power setup. Match the motor to the motion. Robot cars love DC. Plotters love steppers. Arms need servos. Torque and RPM are a trade-off. More torque means slower spin, and vice versa. Motors are magical when you know how to use them. Test all three types and level up your skills. It's going to be even more exciting, so stay tuned right here on the Robot Diva channel.